What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. It's actually here. The S23 Ultra has arrived. Now this is the Samsung box and that's going to come in. If you've pre-ordered, you've got the 3 camera lenses on the top. Unbox a galaxy of possibilities on the bottom. Well, on the side for the rip. 100% recyclable, nothing else on the box. But let's just go ahead and let's just jump straight in. Capture the unmissable. So as we open it out, we've got you back with smart switch and how-to videos. Epic nights are here on the box right there. Get ready to bring the night to life with your new S23. Boost, brighten, sharpen all the pictures and videos. Capture the dark from gigs, post-dinner drinks and AI-powered nightography. Every shot will be so epic, you'll constantly be asked, can you send me that? So let's go ahead and unbox this part. Inside the box you've got expand your Samsung Galaxy with the Buds, which we've already got the Buds 2 Pro, and of course the Galaxy Watches. So we've placed that out the way to one side. We've got the invoice, and then in the box itself we've got the S23 Ultra, and as you can see, all the different colours on the front of the phone, because this one right here, this is an online exclusive colour. So let's place this out the way. Nothing else in the box. Little rip part on the bottom, little rip part on the top. Don't need the unboxing knife for this, so let's just go ahead and jump straight in. That didn't go too well. There we go. And now the top one. Well, that's not as good as what I expected, but never mind. Oh, dearie me. So not the greatest tearing moment, obviously, but never mind. We've got it here anyway, so let's go ahead. Do you know what? Give me 2 seconds. So, phone front and center in the box. Nothing else in the bottom, as you can see. And then inside the top part, you get this. No SIM ejection tool on the back anymore. So if we go ahead and open this up, take this out. You've now got your reading information in there. There's your SIM ejection tool, and then there is your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Obviously no more power brick, no nothing like that as per normal now with phones. Are you ready to see what colour we went for? So if we take this off, and there it is. We went with the online exclusive graphite. Ooh, the light bouncing off this looks really good, and those black chrome sides and top looks really good. So let me go ahead and take this part off. And there it is. Let's give it its first switch on. Obviously plenty of videos to come on this. You've got screen protectors, cases, you name it. It's going to be coming for this phone. I'm going to get this set up, and then we've got all the other videos still to come. So make sure you stay tuned for those. Stay subscribed. Those camera lenses are huge, and you know what we're going to do with them camera lenses. If you remember last year with the S22. But there we go. So let me go ahead. Let me get this set up, and I'll be right back. So while we're in the middle of the setup, what do you think of that graphite colour with the black around the edges? Now, I would have went for the blue colour, but it didn't have the black, it had chrome. So if it had the black, I would have went for the blue, but I think that looks really good. Plus it makes a change from me going for phantom black as per normal. You know, that's what I've always gone for, apart from with the Z Fold 4. What I went with the Z Fold 4 was the greeny bluey colour. So let's see what this. Well, obviously you'll have seen the overlay to see what it looks like outside when the light hits the colour. I'm really pleased I went with an online exclusive colour rather than the standard colours they had. So let me know what you think of that. We're just in the middle now of signing in and setting up, so I'll be right back. And also these new squared off sides feel amazing, by the way. The phone feels great to hold in the hand with them squared off sides. Hopefully with the next one we'll lose this waterfall edge completely and it'll just be completely flat. That is a welcome change. It feels amazing to hold compared to all the other ones that felt dead slippy because of the side rail. So there we go, all fully set up now. Now it's not set up to the point where it's my phone at the minute. If I unlock it, not fully set up, it's just basically restored itself, and it's starting to download some apps and stuff like that, so it's on its way to be sorted. Make sure you stay tuned for the next couple of videos. We've got a lot of case videos to get through, but what I'm going to do at the end of this video right here now, and obviously it's in the middle of setting up, so you'll see a video of what's on my S23 Ultra once this is all fully set up and to the point where it's where I'd want it to be. But these are the new wallpapers as well. This is one of them that I've used in the background because it was on, basically transferred me Pixel onto this. Obviously there's the weather app, so I've got it in dark mode as well, and I need to change these to where it's the swipe action, not the buttons. I don't really like the buttons all that much. But let me know what you think of the S23 Ultra in the comment section. Let me know what you think of that online exclusive grey. Is it something you'd pick up for yourself, or have you picked up one of the new S23s? Be sure to let me know that too. Lots of case videos to come, and lots of other videos still to come with this phone. There's plenty coming. I'm hoping to do a good couple of weeks worth of content, basically coming straight out straight away, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Now obviously this has arrived before launch day, quite a while before. It was initially due to arrive till the 13th and then launches the following Friday, but it's here right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some camera samples at the very end of this video that I've gone out and taken today. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know what you want to see me do with the S23 Ultra. And no, I will not be dropping it because it's just too damn expensive. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and enjoy these photos. See you soon guys, take care. Rah.